Hello? 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 Anybody there? Anybody there? Hello? Where we at? Nothing. Okay. Um, Good afternoon. What's happening, Monique? CPZ, Don, Juan, Shay, Gage, David S. Welcome in. Hello. Good afternoon. Follow me on the Purple app, please, and on YouTube. Just in case the TikTok plays an April Fool's joke on us here in a couple of days. Make sure you follow me on those platforms. I'll still be going live, hopefully, on YouTube and on the Purple app. Never know what's going to happen. But yeah, here we are. NQ Day Waves. What did it do? Did it take a loss? No, it just. I guess it. NQ Day Waves is green $65. Is that right? Anyway, what's happening? What's going on? Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. I gotta pull up my phone now that I got it set up here. It is Tuesday. Terrific Taco 2-for-1 April Fool's Tuesday. Anybody play any funny jokes on anybody today? Maybe. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. You tell me. We're going to cancel this alert. It's just too far gone. So make sure you follow everybody, me, Ben, Jen, Lauren, all of us on YouTube. You can follow me on the Purple app, just in case TikTok goes away. Dragon Dad, what's up, Mike? Long time no see. How you doing, sir? I had major connectivity issues today. I don't know what. I think my computer. I think something went wrong with it, but I don't know what happened. It could have been my internet, but something disconnected and busted, left me in nakeds, and that's just my luck. I don't understand. I need to next time. I'm gonna have to put the daily stop loss on my account through Apex to not let it go that deep. I keep on forgetting to do that every time. You think of by now I would have learned, but you live and you learn, you live and you learn, and sometimes you just don't learn. Custom, welcome in. Drew, XBT. Excuse me. Make sure you're following everybody on the other platforms just in case this TikTok thing comes to an end. But how's everybody doing? Looks like everybody's doing good today. Silver one, NQ new was 2 for 2. Later 1 for 1. Early 1 for 1. Why didn't I just run those? Why the heck didn't I just run those, guys? Tell me, please. instead of manually manipulating my way to a disconnected death of my accounts. Box seats, $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that. Winner, winner. Sorry I'm late. Yeah, you better be. You better be. So silver one, 1250, NQ new one, 700, MQ later, 500, NQ early, 230. So that's 12, and 12 is 24, and another 230 is whatever, $2,800, $2,600. $2,600 I could have had, but instead, what did I want to do? I wanted to try and manually trade that crazy open and get disconnected and bust my 2 accounts. Real talk, real facts. That's what I did. That's what happened. I tried manually trading the open and got disconnected, and instead of being smart, like I said I was going to, and put the daily stop loss on my PA accounts, I forgot to do that, and left them in a naked trade, and they busted. Yeah, so that's fun. Now we got to wait for another sale. Somebody send me some money. A lot of people had problems today. I don't know. I feel like I'm cursed some days, you know? It's just like it's me. I should have just let those 3 run like I was going to and left it alone. A lot of connection issues. Well, maybe I'll get lucky, but I doubt it. Apex never wants to they never want to reset or refund PA accounts. I don't know why, but yeah, like look right now, even there, Santa kind of couldn't even get out of the trade. I don't know if it's because I had to use my Trade Evade connection today, or what, but I'm gonna blame it on that. But anyway, the algorithms did their thing. They won like they were supposed to. The box seats algorithms have done their thing like they're supposed to, so. Hello, do you have losing months? Me personally, yes. Does the algorithm? No. The algorithm is very consistent. Depends on what strategy you run, but the other day I showed 2 or 3 of the strategies, and they're up over $12,000 each strategy for the year so far. So, did Gridlock Gold run yet? I don't know, Dominique. I don't run that. I don't have that as one of my strategies that I run, so I don't know. Ben has been liking Take Profit. Yeah, I like them. I don't know if it was Ninja Trader or Trade of 8 or what disconnected, but something happened where it put me in a naked trade. If it was, from crossing over to micros or what, but it didn't like whatever happened, and it was day 3 or day 4 on these PAs, so I'm not too upset, but it just reminds you that you need to go into your Trade of 8 actual account through the website and set a daily stop loss maximum limit. So if that ever happens again, it'll shut it off automatically for you, and there's no way to bust the account. So, Maria, hello. Good afternoon. What's happening? But yeah, everybody, I mean, I have a losing month when I do stupid stuff like this and, forget to set the daily stop loss. Then it gets in a naked trade, then it busts your account. But the algorithms are winners. They are winners. Maria, I see you. Thank you very much. Stop doing that. I love you. I appreciate you. Trade of 8 has a lot of issues. Yeah. And the funny thing is, it's owned by Ninja Trader, right? So you think they would get it worked out. But are we able to use multiple Rhythmic accounts from different companies on the same Trader Pro? I don't know. What do you mean on the same Trader Pro? On the algorithm or on like Replicanto or on Ninja Trader? Yes, you can connect all your accounts no matter who you have them through. You can create a new connection through Ninja Trader. I had 5 different connections running at one time. I had a cash account, a Trade of 8 account, a Top Step account, a Take Profit account, and a Apex account. I think I named all 5. Yeah. So I can't link my Apex Rhythmic account to my Ninja Trader. Get with, if you're part of the group, ask Irma for help. She's an expert in doing that. She'll be able to help you out. But I don't have Apex Rhythmic accounts. I have Apex Trade of 8 accounts, so I don't know. But Irma, if you're in the group, Irma will help you with that. That's what she's there for. I was told by Apex that I can't run Apex Rhythmic combined with Blue Nox at the same time. Oh, yeah, that I don't know about. I don't know about Blue Nox. That's probably because that's a different prop firm, and Apex is telling you that because they don't want you using different prop firms. I'm just asking. I'm just I'm just saying what I think. I'm not for sure if that's the truth, but I don't know. I've never used Bull Nox, so I don't know. Like I said, I've only used Tradeify, Top Step, Take Profit, and Apex, and a cash account with Ninja Traders. That's all I've ever used. So I'm sorry you're having issues, though, Dina. Playful Rich, welcome in. Good afternoon. How's it going? My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Make sure you follow us on YouTube, guys. Make sure you follow me on the Purple app. Just in case in a couple of days TikTok is no longer around, please make sure you follow us on all the other social media sites so you can stay tuned in to what's happening, what's going on with BoldBot. Not really in an area I'm comfortable giving any alerts at right now. It's just kind of a consolidation mess area right now for me in my eyes, but I had some issues today and it's not fun, but being what's happening, word is it might be going away in 4 days. I don't know if how true that is, but that's what the word on the street is, so who knows. Who the heck really knows? And I like it. I like TikTok. I mean, at first, I didn't understand it. Like 4 years ago when my ex wife was watching it all the time. And then now here I am streaming on it, right? So it's like, it's a pretty cool platform. It has cool effects, cool things you can do. I mean, it's an easy platform to make a stream layout and do all the cool stuff on the screen you see. And so, but if it goes away, I'll be on YouTube and the Purple app, Twitch. So make sure you follow me on both of those if you will. YouTube is just BoldBot. And Twitch is just swag_show_Kyle. So follow me over there if you have that. It is about 1:27 p.m. Eastern Time on April Fool's Day, 2025. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. Nothing in the trade right now to show you even. Everything's just kind of stagnant, kind of stale, sitting sideways. So we'll wait and see if anything pops off here in a second. See if Santa takes a trade or anything else takes a trade. We're just kind of hanging out. Box seats silver 1-for-1 $12.50. Box seats NQ new 2-for-2 for $700. Box seats NQ later 1-for-1 for $500. And early box seats NQ early 1-for-1 for $230. If I would have just ran those today, I would be happy. I would be happy if I would have just ran those and trusted in the algorithm, right? But no. I gotta get in a naked manual trade and get disconnected. How'd you do today? Bad, big. I did bad. I had a disconnect on a manual naked trade that I couldn't get out of, and when I had to shut down and get back into everything, everything was already busted. So my 2 PA accounts are no more. It was only day 4, I think, on them, but still, I had like $500, $600 worth of profit built up into them. Maybe today was day 4, I think. Yeah. So it sucks, but it is what it is. You had an issue like that today too? Do you have Trade Evade? I wonder if it was a Trade Evade issue. Maybe they'll refund or reset everybody's accounts. Who knows? Probably not, but Apex never likes to pay people back out, it seems like, when there's connection issues. Yeah, mine were Apex Trade Evade. What's up, Canned? Oh, you know, just another day. That's why I got to get this cash account built up. Got to call the lawyer, speaking of that, as soon as we get off this stream. Figure out what the heck's going on. Yeah, that's the same thing, Big, that happened to me. Same thing that happened to me, brother. Oh, man. Oh, sorry, I'm yawning. I'm tired. Stayed up too late or something. You had Apex Trade Evade and didn't have any issues? Good, Maria. I'm glad. I hope you shut it down for the day, just in case. Make your money and be done, honey. That's what I say. Gotta make that money. Then you gotta shut it off. You lost 500 on the trade but kept the account. Yeah, see, I forgot to set my daily max stop loss inside my Trade Evade settings again. Why a cash account when you can get many more accounts for cheaper with a prop? Just for the simple fact that there's no rules that I have to follow on a cash account. And I will get prop firm accounts once I build up my cash account, but I want to be able to withdraw like when I need to withdraw, and I want to make as much as I want to make each day. It's just I'll have a cash account, but I will have prop firm accounts still. But like the bulk of my money, like if I need $500 to pay a bill or something, I'll just pull it out of my cash account and I can have it instantly. Where with the prop firm accounts, you have to follow all the rules, and then you have to pass evals, then you have to build up a buffer, and then you got to wait for the payout, and after following the rules. So I don't know. I'll get the prop firms eventually. It's just I need to start with a cash account first and build that up. But not a big deal. Stop the yawning on 4 hours to work. Yeah. I'm sorry. What's the minimum deposit you need to trade 5 micros on a cash account? Sam, I would say you need that to be around 3%. Whatever you're risking per trade, you need to have that be like 3% or less of your total overall balance. So on 5 micros, you're risking 250 a tick, right? So I don't know, if you put a $500, or let's say you're risking $300 or $100, whatever it is you want to risk, you need to have that be 3% or less of your total balance. So I recommend if you're going to do micros, you need at least $3,000 to start, but everybody's opinion's different. So that's just my opinion. You need about $3,000. Do you use Flowbots? Yeah, I use Replicanto. I was thinking about getting it for a trade copy. Yeah, big. It's the best one around. Replicanto is hands down by far the best trade copier out there. I do have an affiliate link. If you click on my link tree inside my TikTok profile, it should take you over to it. Use the code BoldBot20 to save yourself 20% off. But yeah, I love Replicanto. It's so easy to use. So, how quickly is a withdrawal with a cash account? Usually it's instant. Usually with a cash account, you can withdraw and, within, hours. It should be pretty instant, depending on your bank and all that. Short here. Why? Because the algorithm did it for me, Angel. Uh, I'm not. I'm not trading. Like my hands are right here. I'm not touching anything. You're watching a fully automated trading algorithm that trades for me. It's called BoldBot. We have 9 different algorithms, 50 different strategies. This is just one of them. It's called NQ Santa. It's a scalper based algorithm, so it takes a lot of trades. It looks for reversal patterns and tries to catch the